the Gempages page builder. Gempages is a user-friendly, advanced page builder app that allows store owners to build a shop with stunning layouts using the drag-and-drop feature. You can even use some of the pre-made templates for your store, saving you a lot of time and design expenses. Gempages offers fast, responsive, and premium quality page designs, which can turn your store into a high-converting funnel. They've recently introduced the AI Page Builder, which will help you create a premium quality store in just a few minutes. We personally use this app for creating one product store for our clients. That's because with the free plan of Gempages, you can publish only one page on your store. To publish more pages, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. One of the most amazing features of this app is that it can clone any website or e-commerce store with the help of AI. You only need to copy the URL of the store you want to copy, and then paste it on the Gempages editor, and within a couple of minutes, Gempages AI will generate the same page for you. Then you only need to change the images, text, and colors of the page, and your store will be ready in no time. This app has over 4,000 reviews on Shopify App Store, with an average rating of 4.8. Needless to say, this app will resolve all the design problems and give your store a stunning look and feel. Not to mention the conversion triggers and built-in sales-boosting features, which will eventually help you get more sales and conversion. In my opinion, this is the best Shopify landing page builder that I've used till date, and I'll keep using it in the future as well. By the way, I've already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Gempages page builder in just 30 minutes. So if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.